have a replacement lens ready. Then remove the fixing screws that protect the lens holder by hand. Pull out the lens holder upward. Rotate the pressure plate of the protective lens by 90 degrees. Make it look as the picture. It is desirable to press down the tablet. Then, remove the protective lens. First, install the protective lens in the groove of the tablet. Then, load the bracket as shown in the video. The pressing plate can be installed in place by rotating it 90 degrees. Replace the new lens bracket into the welding gun. Tighten the screws to complete the replacement process. Find the focus of laser welding joint. Loosen the fastening nut first. Adjust the tip of the gun to its approximate position. They then tested it on a metal plate. After finding the best focus position, tighten the head fixing screw. Slip into brass head and fasten. Install the screw after fixing the position. Do not twist too tightly. Adjust the muzzle position. Then, tighten the screw by hand. Finally, tighten the screws with a 4mm inner hexagon wrench.